Hello everyone, welcome back to Quadro 143. My name is Bijon and today I'm going to show you how to draw lips in realistic way using Procreate. And I'm going to show you how to draw lips in 4 steps in hyper realistic way like this. So grab your iPad and let's create something amazing together. So let's get started. So step 1, I'm going to draw, I'm going to sketch the lips first. So I'm going to use a Procreate brush from sketching. I'm going to use the black color. So first let me do the a sketching. I'm having problem with my Procreate application. I don't know what happened, but I will try to guide you, don't worry. So first I'm going to draw. You can draw like this way. So I'm going to draw colors from drawing to realistic way. Totally I'm going to use 4 steps. So it's the easiest way to draw. So let me draw the lips first. Roughly I have sketched, and now step 2, I'm going to just make sure you have to draw on the same layer, or else if you want to sketch it, but make sure you have to draw the different layer, not the sketches. So I'm just copy this for you, your guidance. I'm going to show you. So I'm just going to keep aside for that sketch part. I'm going to copy that sketch part. For above that sketch, I'm going to draw, I'm going to color it out. So this is step 2. I'm going to show you step by step. So I'm going to use color as the reference, or as the picture which you are trying to draw. According to that, you can use that color. I'm just roughly using the color which generally lips look like for a girl. So I'm going to use this this color. You can use it. So I'm going to use the dark color first. This portion I'm going to use it. I'm going to use the busker wheel, or else you can use it the studio pen as well. That's not matter, but I'm going to use this brush, or else you can use the studio pen. That's not a problem. Just make sure you have to do it like this way. And this is the hyper realistic way I'm going to do it. This is not the Victor art, but yep, soon I'm going to upload the Victor art format as well. So how to draw in Victor art format, lips, nose, eyes. So I'll send it, I'll upload step by step next in my next video, don't worry. So I'm going to the upper lips, I'm going to use this color, a little bit light obviously, and I'm going to just using this color fill up. I forgot to fill it up. So just make it, this is not the sketch layer, make sure you have to use a different layer. So I am going to drag the color. I'm going to use underneath that lips. So I'm going to use this color, little bit dark in our lower lips. So you have to just outline and drag it. So I think I have to just I have to fill it up like this. And I'm going to blur this portion where I use, because I'm going to use the same layer. So I'm going to blur the black color with this red with the lips. So let me do these things. I don't know what happened with this application. It's touching automatically, so I have to remove it step by step. Don't put it you can use it like this way. So I'm going to blur it. This is the step 2. So as I told you, I'll show you in 4 steps. So how you can draw lips. Still it's look good, but still as I told you, I'm going to show you in realistic way. So you have to do it like that. So make sure you have to do this kind of step. First you have to draw a sketch. Make sure your sketch will good, your sketch should be good. Then the color, which color you are using and which color you have to use it next. So I'm going to I'm done with the next step 2. In step 3, I'm going to use this color. Just copy for your reference. I'm going to show it to you step by step. So I'm going to use this one. The second step I'm using, and I'm going to now using the little bit shadow. So I'm going to use little bit dark color using the brush, studio pen. Just do it like this. Roughly you can do it, because I'm going to merge it anyway. So you have to do it like this, according to your appearance, like how you can, where you have to like shadow. It's totally, it's up to the lights which from where it's coming from. So it's up to that. So you have to blur it like this. Like you can do it. This is the easy way, that's why I'm showing it to you like step by step. So or you have to blur it, those portion. This is the easy process to draw realistic, but there is like lots of method more as well, where you can draw lips extremely realistic way. Those are different. Those you have to, those are time taking. You have to do it slowly. For one painting it will take maybe 2 to 3 days as well, those kind of painting. This is the easy way. You can draw one figure like you can do it within a couple of hours, or within 2 to 3 hours you can do it like this, hyper realistic. But if you are to going to do it a realistic hyper way, like a extreme realistic, then it will take some time. So those I'll let you know. I'll send I'll upload those kind of videos later on. So this is the easiest way. I'm going to use this color first, like a little bit light shadow. I'm going to blur it as well. So this is the step 4, and final step I'm going to show you after this. So stay with this stay with me. I'm going to show you step. Still it's look good till now. It's look like realistic as well, but I'm going to do some more realistic, so which is good, looks good. So let me do the things, and I'm going to go ahead with the last step, step 4. So it's come to the step 4, the last step. I'm going to using some realistic so I'm going to use the hyper realistic way. So using the white color, I'm going to just do the little bit of here. Now you will get to see how real it will look. Few things you have to do it over here. Upper lips, it's a light, it's where it's coming from. It's a for example, it's coming from the right side, so you have to do it like that way. So when you are going to do this kind of things, now you can check properly, and it's look really amazing. Either you can leave it like this way, or else you can you can just merge it as well. So it's up to you how you I can I'll show you both the way. I can keep this way, and I can merge it as well. So both the way you can check it out. Either you can leave it, or else you can check it out properly. So this is the final step. You can the final step, not so much hard. So you can just make sure you have to draw like this few things with the help of brush of studio pen, and make sure you have to do the total lips in 2 layers. So make sure you have to do the sketch in one layer. I'm just using different layers because I'm using I'm showing it to you like in 4 step. That's why I'm using 3 to 4 layers. But you, when you are trying to draw anything, for example, you are trying to draw portrait, so on that cases you could try to draw lips or anything, lips or eyes in hyper realistic way. But it's not necessary for vector art. Vector art, it's different. Make sure you have to remember these things. For realistic art, you have to make sure in 2 layer you have to draw like this. First layer you have to draw the sketch, in the second layer the whole coloring things you have to do it. See, I hope you can check the painting lips. It's look amazing, it's look real for beginners. But there is lots of more things which you can do it as well. But for now, this is the easiest way to draw hyper realistic lips. So I hope you enjoy the video. Do subscribe, do like if you like the video, subscribe it and share with your friends and family. And do let me know as well in the comment section that what I have to draw next time. I will try to draw like your preference what I have to draw. Okay, so thank you so much once again. We'll see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.